Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Deluxe Inn Fayetteville I-95. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms and a 24-hour front desk. This Fayetteville, North Carolina motel features a microwave and free Wi-Fi in every room. Guests will be located off Interstate 95 exit 49 and 16 miles from Fort Bragg, United States Army installation. A flat-screen TV with premium cable channels, refrigerator, and coffee machine are standard in every simply appointed room at this Fayetteville Deluxe Inn. Extras include a seating area, complimentary bottled water and a hairdryer. And 24-hour reception and an on-site vending machine are available for added convenience. Deluxe Inn Fayetteville provides free parking as well. The motel is 10 minutes drive from the Special Airborne Museum and 8.1 miles from the Fayetteville Regional Airport. Fayetteville City Center is 5.2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.